Okay, so in this section we are going to set up our cart number. So first of all, let's activate our virtual environment. So script slash activate, and then we should run our project, run server. Okay, so after that, copy that link and just open up a new window with the Google Chrome, and just pass that, and you will see our website. If you click this, you should see the cart section. So if we go here and add to cart, so the increment should be showed in here. So let's do that. Okay, so first of all, we are going to go to cart and the views.py, and we are going to make some changes here. Okay, so remove this, and you should write in here okay, type cart slash quantity. Okay, so after that should be equal to cart dot len. We haven't created this function, but we should give this. Okay, pass here qty and the cart quantity. Okay, this quantity should be in here. Okay, you should also give a dot in here. So this should be fine, the cart add function. Okay, so after that we should go to our product info, or we should create this len function. Okay, so let's go to the cart.py. You can see it's in the cart.py. We have the cart imported from the cart. So this cart is coming from here, the cart function. So in the cart, which is in the dot.cart. Okay, this function. Okay, so yeah, this is our class. So we should define the len here. So type diff, okay, this len, and should have self and return the sum of item. Okay, the item is based on qty. Okay, this qty, and should have a for loop for item in self dot cart dot values. Okay, indeed this is fine. So after that we should save this, so there should be no error until now. So now we have to go to our product info.html file. So this is where we are going to add the cart. Okay, so you should click over there and the increment should show here. So if we click over here, this edge axis calling from here, so we should make some changes in here. So after the JSON, type document dot get element by id. Okay, type cart dot qty dot text content is equal to json dot qty. Okay, so after that this should work just fine. So we should if we click over this cart.qty, right, so we should define this id into our navbar. Okay, so the navbar should, what we have here, so the button is submit button. This is the cart summary, right? So type here, this should be type button. Okay, and just move this icon before this cart.qty. You should type their id, and after that we should write our functions. So our template tags, so type here with qty slash amount should be cart. You don't give spaces in here. Okay, make sure this should not have any spaces, otherwise it will not work, I think. Okay, the length, and after that we should end this with int with. Okay, so there should be a space. So we are going to define a if block. So there should be if qty slash amount is greater than 0. So there should be qty dot amount. Okay, so otherwise, so else, otherwise it should be 0, and we are going to end our if. End if. Okay, so function are successfully defined. So this is very nicely we have done. So this is the cart.qty id, so it should show the qty amount. Okay, so we should save this and just go to here and refresh this, and you should see that our 0. If I click over this add, so something is wrong, I think. Okay guys, so the thing is, if we go and trying to add cart, so it's not working until you should give, after the type and the href, you should give here a role, and that is button. After that you should save all and go and just refresh everything and go your product and add. Okay, so you should add it should work, I think. So it's not refreshed, so control F5, and now it should work just fine, I think. Okay, still having trouble. Okay, just copy that and paste. And okay, now add to cart. Okay, it's still not working. Copy that. I'm going to close this and open up a new window and pass that, and you can see it's now working. So close your Chrome tab, and after that refresh that, and you should see that it's working just fine. Okay, so now if we click over this is our cart page, so we need a little design here. So I should go in here the product info page, and I just need to copy this row, I think. Okay, copy this row, the entire row, copy this and go to the cart summary page and just paste everything here. And we need to give some things, like this should be 3, and if this is large, so this should be 2, and this should be 9, and if it's large, so this should be 10, and if it's large, so this should also be 10. Okay, so I think pretty much this. If I refresh this and just go here and refresh this, you should see like this, no more designs. So should do some little things, and we should also come here and just okay, so should give here 12, and it should be 12. Okay, copy that and paste over here again. So after that, save all and just go and refresh this. You will see that it's not showing well, so we will figure this in a moment now. So after that, we should go to our product info and just copy this and come over here and give this tag and type main, and also the div. Click save, and should see, if I refresh this, you should see this still that. Okay, we should give this products, so we should show our cart products in here. So I am going to go to the cart and going to define a new function here. Define tar it's going to be self, and should is self dot cart dot keys. Okay, the product should be product dot objects dot filter id in the all products IDs. The cart should be self dot cart dot copy. Okay, so we are going to run a loop in here in products. So this is our products. Okay, so there should be a loop, that is the cart should be steer. If it has a product ID, so it's going to look through the ID. It has the product. Is equal to product. Okay, so the loop should end like this, and we are going to run a loop over the item. Else price SC mel item price. And the total should be item price. Is equal to item QTY. Okay, we should yield the items. So yeah, this is it. And to save this, so should import this product. So this product is the store, so we should import that from store dot product dot models. Import product is this product, so this should be this product. So you should save this. And okay, so let's run a loop here. Okay, so item in cart, and after that should also run our with loop product item dot product. Okay, it's good. So the main section, right? So we should have our this there is f4, so this will be int for, and after that type int width. Okay, if I click save this and go here and refresh this, go to cart, so we have a problem. Type int width before the int for, click save because width is in the width. So if I refresh this, okay, id in field, so this is happening from this to cover cart. We should slash in here, save this, refresh. Okay, decimal is not defined, so if I go here from type from decimal import decimal. Okay, if you save and now you refresh this, you should see all of our cart products. Okay, so what we can do is so this is 5, so you should type 3, save this, refresh. Okay, we should give a border. Okay, and refresh this, there is no borders. Okay, the QTY should be, the QTY I think should be type item dot QTY, and this should be selected. Click save and go over our cart, and this is not showing, but why? Okay, this should be not like this, so type Ctrl Z, go to your previous version, and you should type here. Okay, should type here selected and give here item dot QTY and click save all, and then you should see our quantity is showing. Okay, so every quantity is showing, site this. So in the next part we are going to design our this cart and something more. So I will see you in the next video.